Stage 1 which consists of OR testing as well as the PPDT test, right? OR testing, no problem? Clear? You all are people are very intelligent people. IQ of सब लोगों का बहुत ज़्यादा है. So not to worry about that account. Now we'll come to the second part of this test, which happens to be the PPDT, in short, otherwise known as picture perception and description test, not discussion test. Most of you say it a discussion test, right? What is a description test? So in this test, what happens is you are shown a picture. Now picture may be clear, may not be clear. Okay? So whatever you make out of that picture is, right, you are supposed to write a story about that picture. So once the picture has been shown to you, this will be shown to you for 30 seconds. Thereafter, you will be asked to make a story and write the story on the piece of paper that will be given to you. For that, you get 4.5 minutes. Right? While writing a story or making a story, you are supposed to firstly see what is the present. Present happens to be the picture that you have seen. What is going on over there? Action or whatever it may be. Right? So that becomes the present of the story that you want to write. Then how you might have led to, what might have led to the situation in the picture, or how they might have reached this, that becomes the past of the story. That you have to be thinking, so you have to make the past, then the present is already shown to you, and then what you, as per you, might be the likely outcome out of the situation, or the picture that has been shown to you. That becomes the future of the story. So you have the past, present, and future. Keeping all these three things in mind, you are going to write a story about that picture. Is that clear? Yes, sir. And for that, you got how much time you get? 4.5 minutes. Right? Once you are done with this exercise, then thereafter your written work will be taken from you. Okay? And thereafter you will be divided into groups. Group strength keep varying. 20, 25, 30, maybe 15, depending on various constraints, right? And thereafter you made to sit group wise. And then again we go through the balance part of the test, which consists of again two things. Firstly, individual narration of your story that you have written, and also the discussion to make a group story. So once you are made to sit inside a numerical sequence, whatever the sequence they are going to follow, you will be asked to give out your individual story one by one. Right? So for example, if you are sitting in front of the selectors, you will start from the leftmost person who is sitting there, facing the assessors. Moment being told, he will get up and give out the story that he has written over. And the moment he finishes, next person will take on. And carry on like this till such time we hear everybody's story in that group. Only certain points to be remembered while you give your individual story. Now first thing is that you must finish your story within a minute. Language to be spoken is English, but should you find any difficulty and problem, you can speak in Hindi, but try to get back to English as soon as possible. Alright? There is no requirement for you to exchange any pleasantries, good morning, good evening, thank you, nothing required. Because time is very short. Just start off with a story. Okay, and while narrating your story, you must address to your group members and not to the people who are, or selectors or assessor, whatever it may be, or guides. Alright? And once you have finished with your individual narration, thereafter you will be asked to have a discussion to make a group story. While making a group story, you can pick up various good parts which might have been given by earlier speakers in your group to make a group story. Also, while narrating your individual story, in case somebody is not able to finish his story while writing it, you can mention there that I have been able to write my story like this. I've written my story up to this point like this. However, I would have concluded my story like this. Or I would have written more about this. This is how I'm going to conclude my story. Clear? Hai? Yes, so this broadly is the pattern in which we're going to conduct this test. Now anybody, any question or clarification? Everybody is following me? Yes, sir. सब समझ में आ गया जो मैंने बोला है? Yes, sir. Perfectly fine. So very good. So now what we'll do is we'll show you a story. We'll show you a picture and then you write a story. Then we'll again start with the discussion part. ठीक है?
Basic layout of story drafting. So you will be narrating your story by following the certain layout, that is what led to the situation, what is likely to happen and what is the outcome of the story. If you want to add 1 or 2 points that you could not write in this given sheet, you may do so, but you will be admitting that you want to add 1 or 2 points. After completion of narration, as the last chest number, what is your chest number? 170. He finishes narration, you will be having your group discussion. Timing for group discussion will be 6 to 7 minutes, and objective is to find out common group story. You need to address to your group members only. Okay, you will not say any good morning or good afternoon. Okay.
Friends, I perceived a crowd in the story, and the theme of my story is welcoming the refugee. My central character is Ishika, around 22-year-old, and she is living in a village and in India. I perceived in the story there's a time of partition when partition took place in 1947, and when the refugees coming from the Pakistan, as just because they are not feeling safe and secure over there. That time, India welcomed the refugees well, and Ishika, who is around 22-year-old, she decided to help them out. She talked to her parents and decided to put a meeting in her village and also raise the fund and help them out by giving them food and basic necessities so that they can come out from this crisis, refugee crisis. And after that, she recorded all her experience and this experience in her diary and shared it in her school. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone. I perceive a crowd in the story, and my central character is Rohan. His age is 28 and he's cleared, his mood is positive, and recently he cleared his SSBs and he got recommended, and after going for the NDA Academy, he trained well in there, and spending 1 month he learned lots of things. He learned lots of things there, and he decided to.
Hello friends. In this my story, I perceived many characters, but there are mainly 3 characters. Mohan, who is 26 years old, Rohan, who is 25 years old, and Sohan, who is 27 years old. All of them are in positive mood. Rohan, who is the central character of my story, they want to return our home in the war. They faced the war in border, and they won the war and flagged the flag of India. They faced the many crises, but they flagged the flag of India and returned the war. So villagers are very happy, and villagers are clapped for them. Thank you so much.
Hello friends, I have perceived 3 characters in my story. All of them are in a neutral mood, and my central character is Ashish, whose age is 27. He was a software engineer. He was going to his work for his office. Then he saw that there was a crowd in the road, and there happened an accident. And because of the crowd, the police was there to handle the situation. Then he saw that one female was got injured. So he rushed to her and. Took his handkerchief and put it in her hand and talked to the police to clear the crowd, so that then he took that lady to the hospital, and then he went to his office.
In the picture, I perceive a crowd. My main character is a girl of 29 years of age. She is a female and she is in a neutral mood. My second main character is an officer who is a male and he is 29 years of old. He is also in a neutral mood. The central character's name is Nana. She visited Darjeeling with her family on a vacation. While returning, she was in a bus stand when an announcement was made that terrorists have announced a possible bomb attack. There was a chaos in the station. Nana asked the people to stand at their places, which helped the chaos to calm down. Then she guided the people to a place which was comparatively safe with the help of the officer. Then while the officer was searching for the bomb with the help of the instruments, then she also assisted them by looking at the hidden places. Then the bomb was finally found and it was neutralized. The people were safely boarded to the bus and were returned home. I would like to add the point that Nana enjoyed the trip and returned to her city safely with her family.
Friends, I perceive a crowd in the picture. Rani, 17, in a positive mood, was the central character of my story. She known about the parade, and she participated in. There is crowd. CM was the chief guest, and he passed the parade. Then after it, she delivered a speech and she summoned the youths and to contribute in Agnipath and also support it. Thank you.
Hello friends, from picture shown to us, I perceived one main character Rabi in a neutral mood and age 23. Rabi, a superintendent of police posted in district of Bihar. One day he got a call that a few peoples are blocking the road and protesting against the unemployment. He directed the local police to reach at the spot, and he himself came at the spot. The moment he came at the spot, he saw that peoples are throwing stones on the police. He made the announcement and requested the people to not be violent, as it doesn't help in sending its demand to higher authority. He successfully brought them under the control and cleared the road. Thank you.
Hello friends, my story revolves around the central character who is a police officer whose name is Nakul. He is around 28 years old. He is an 2015 batch IPS officer. It is his first posting. He was currently posting in Aligarh district of UP. He has been ordered to manage the crowd at a road junction. Initially the crowd is protesting with peace, but suddenly the crowd went violent. But with his skills and training, using his training, Nakul handled the situation very well and made the crowd dispersed. Later his senior said that he will be recommended for President's Gold Medal. Thank you.
Good afternoon, gentlemen and ladies. I perceived so many characters in the story, but my central character is Major Vivek Jayapal Yadav, who is 23 years old and posted in Jammu and Kashmir area. Once he got informed by the officials that there is a protest ongoing in the Kashmir Valley, and so he was ordered to control the situation. He went there and inquired the region, why is there protest going on here. So he got to know about that the reason behind the protest was that they were not satisfied with the development projects which is going on in the Kashmir Valley. So he first made them aware about the Operation Goodwill which is going in the Kashmir Valley for development programs. He also saw the suspicious activities in the group, so he went there and catch them and sent them to jail. That's why. But thank you.
So friends, through the picture I have perceived group of people, all of age group between 20 years to 25 years of age. So the central theme of my story is creating awareness about culture through cultural activity programs. The central character of my story is Suraj, who is a 25-year-old student as well as cultural activities of Pratapgarh district. So one day while surveying in his village with his friend, he found that the people of his village are not respecting their own culture, and along with that they are inclined toward the Western culture and following that. So they have lost the importance of their own culture. So he was concerned about this and tried to reinvent the importance of his own culture. He persuaded his friends and called a meeting of the villagers and made them aware about the importance of their own culture through some folk dances, traditional dances, and some dramas depicting some magnificence of Indian culture, so that they could be influenced through it and follow their own culture, along with give little importance to Western, but not totally that. So apart from that, he also displayed some dramas where he could depict his Indian culture, ITs, and other importance. After that, people were encouraged through it, and they started giving importance to their own culture as well as giving little importance to Western culture also. Finally, I would like to add some points here that. Looking at this progress of his own village, the people of the other villages also started looking at the concern of this and following the same pattern. So it was just like a little revolution. People were very happy and all that. Thank you.
Crowd is angry and they have stone melted at some building.
So friends, what I feel is
Let's go with the crowd. After that, let's come on the theme. What should be the theme of this? Control of the crowd.
So friends, what I feel is the basic thing must be to control the protest. So friends, what I feel is that from the beginning we have seen the group of people. So I think we should create an awareness program, right? I think we have seen a group of people, so we should create awareness regarding something, right? So I think please take some themes so that we can create awareness, right?
We can make a common story as well instead of doing that.
So for that we should take some common theme, right? So I think we have seen a group of people here, so we can take some. See, we cannot see dressing sense is not police officer. You can see it was like that. It was a dress sense of the police force. They were wearing helmets like this.
Art officers because they had a hat also.
They were wearing helmets. They have the shields and they have So friends, what I feel is that from the picture it is clearly visible that there are some activities going on.
Our theme can specify the mob. We can specify the mob situation. We can go with that.
Preventing riots.
Yes.
They all had hat and arm.
Yeah.
And they were protesting against the government policy.
Armed officers, what do you think armed officers will be there? I think we don't have armed officers there, right?
And the police officers are there to control the situation.
What kind of protesting our group is talking about? First, we have to decide that also. Protest means what kind of protest? We cannot mention only protest.
Against any
Against
government.
It can be a protest against any side of the government.
And you see which kind of
Such as
Our group is agree with the Agnipath scheme.
Yes.
So we should make the story on that. So let's decide the theme. We should go that there is a people are protesting against Agnipath scheme. Or they are came there and they said that mutation is also a role in the policies if there is any mutation. So we should go for that. If there is any tweak, so in other other tenure it will be rectified and they pacify the protest and that's why the problem is sorted out.
They are rioting because they do not trust the government.
You can see the officer as the main character who is pacifying the
Our group perceived there is a crowd that we shown in the picture and there was a protest is going on. Theme of our story, a police officer specifying the protest. The protest is against Agnipath scheme that is recently launched. So there was in Kerala, as we all know, there is a protest going on. People are protesting against Agnipath scheme and the police has come there to control that peaceful protest and they also give the speech about the Agnipath scheme and make people aware about the Agnipath scheme. As we all know, sometimes protests going on without knowing about the scheme, people get interpreted in wrong manner and start protesting. So police officer give the speeches as well that it is only for 4 years as the government launch. First we have to give, it is a kind of mutation, a fundamental we can say change also. So first we have to try this scheme and after that any tweak is required over there, so it will be rectified also and also pacify the protest peacefully and sort out the problem. Thank you very much.
Yeah, 157. So these two candidates have been recommended for the stage 2. In addition to them, we have got 3 more candidates whom we have kept on border. Okay, so I'll just count the chest number now. 127. 127. Okay, so you are on the, that means you are on the border. With a little bit better performance, you go this side, or if you slack, go this side. And we have got 147. Please get up. And we also got 151. Who is 151? 151. So these 3 candidates have been kept on border. Alright. So this is the result in brief. So kindly clap everybody for them. This being the first time you are performing this test, I am very sure by observing all these things you will be doing better next time. And all those points which are being given out, kindly incorporate in your next exercise. Okay, so that you can do better. Please sit down. Okay, now we start one by one. We're starting with the chest number 102. Please get up. Now, first of all, I was not happy with the story that you have written. It is not a story you have written, some past thing. How it is related, what is the future, what is the present, then diary le aaya tum iski. The story was not good. But only yes, your group dynamics mein you have done quite all right. You've been able to do worthwhile contribution while working out a group story. So that perhaps has worked in your favor. But that remember that this will not always help you. So you got to be writing yourself a good story. आपने 47 का पार्टीशन की बात कर दी. You narrated some past thing which has happened, but we are talking about the story to be written. I spoke to you guys. You have to have past, present, future. Future की फिर बात होने का सवाल नहीं होता. Past incident आपने बता दी. See, there was an issue with your story. So kindly make a story properly. Otherwise, your general overall performance we are recommended you for the stage. But make story also proper. Okay.
Okay, Sania, first of all, performance of group is average, not below average and not above average. Okay, because most of the candidates, they could not even properly plot the number of characters. जैसे पहले ही वाला मैं देखता हूँ, देखिए इसने क्या किया, सिर्फ एक कैरेक्टर को यहाँ दिखाया बट नंबर ऑफ कैरेक्टर्स ज़्यादा थे. तो इन केस ऑफ क्राउड, अगर ऐसा लगता है कि क्राउड है तो यू कैन राइट मेंशन 2, 3, 4 कैरेक्टर्स एंड उसके बाद फिर क्राउड आपका है तो कोई प्रॉब्लम. बट 3, 4 कैरेक्टर्स तो दिख ही रहे थे या 5, 6 दिख रहे थे. तो वहाँ पे आपको ऐसे दिखाना था प्रॉपर्ली. वो अगर ये ऐसा नहीं करेंगे, इट मीन्स देयर इज़ अ क्वेश्चन मार्क इन योर ऑब्जर्वेशन. सेकेंडली, Sania, you tried your level best. I acknowledge your efforts. I acknowledge your power of expression. I acknowledge your cohesiveness with group members. I also acknowledge your convincing ability as a part of group. That at the time of group discussion, you convince group members with your theme. तो वो बहुत अच्छी बात थी. वहीं से आप स्क्रीन इन हो गए. देखिए यहाँ पे, if you could not draft your story properly, then also there is a scope. जब इसका स्टोरी बहुत अच्छा नहीं था, स्टोरी की वजह से आई केप्ट हर बॉर्डर लाइन, बट बेस्ड ऑन द ग्रुप डिस्कशन परफॉर्मेंस ये स्क्रीन इन हो गई. तो कई बार आपके पास लास्ट में भी चांस होता है. इस बात को आपको ध्यान रखना है और इस परफॉर्मेंस से सीख लेना है. नाउ कमिंग टू योर, जैसा सर ने बताया, थीम सिलेक्शन ऑफ योर स्टोरी. थीम सिलेक्शन में आपने किसी एक 70 साल पुरानी बात कर दी. तो 70 साल पुरानी बात इज़ नॉट योर एब्स्ट्रैक्ट, इट इज़ योर फैक्ट, इट इज़ योर डेटा. एंड वी आर लुकिंग फॉर योर थॉट, वी आर लुकिंग फॉर योर इमेजिनेशन. तो दिस इज़ फैक्ट, दिस इज़ एक डेटा है जो तुमने बता दिया. ठीक है, तो कहीं ना कहीं इससे यू आर रिस्ट्रिक्टिंग योर इमेजिनेशन. ठीक है, तो इस वजह से दिस स्टोरी इज़ नॉट इन पैरामीटर. एज पर द साइकोलॉजिस्ट पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, आई हैव केप्ट यू बॉर्डर लाइन, बिकॉज थीम को ज़बरदस्ती आप मत कनेक्ट करिए, कोशिश करिए. अदरवाइज इट मे लीड टू प्री कंसीव्ड आइडिया ये लगेगा कि पहले से रेडी है ये, या बुकिस है, या मकडअप अप्रोच है. तो ऐसा नहीं लगना चाहिए. तो ओवरऑल योर परफॉर्मेंस व्हेन इट कम्स टू ड्राफ्टिंग ऑफ स्टोरी इज़ बॉर्डर लाइन, बट ओवरऑल परफॉर्मेंस यू आर स्क्रीन इन फॉर द डे. ओके, तो नेक्स्ट टाइम ड्राफ्टिंग पे वर्क करिए. इसी वजह से आपका टास्किंग अच्छा नहीं था और एक्शन पार्ट भी अच्छा नहीं था. वन मोर, देयर की स्पेलिंग, आपकी स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक भी थी. सो यू आर डिस्ट्रिक्ट टॉपर एंड लैंग्वेज में कोई एरर नहीं चाहिए. PPNET में भी तो चल जाएगा, बट TAT में मेरे पास होता है आपका PIQ. हिंदी मीडियम स्टूडेंट है, 1-2 लैंग्वेज एरर है, एक्सेप्टेबल है. एक है कभी गलती हो गई, एक्सेप्टेबल है. बट इंग्लिश मीडियम डिस्ट्रिक्ट टॉपर, नो लैंग्वेज मिस्टेक. अगर कोई एक भी मिल गई तो आपके लिए गड़बड़ है, वो ध्यान रखना. इफ़ यू वांट टू गेट रिकमेंडेशन विद द हाई मेरिट ऑर्डर, इन चीज़ों पे भी वर्क करना पड़ेगा. ठीक है, चलिए.
One more point I just mentioned here. When even while giving the group story, you are not given a group story. You just describe the picture what is there. Some unrest was there and Agnipath पे protest हो गया, उसको combine. Where the hero in the story? Who had done this job? So you are not getting involved. You are just describing the picture, story. You getting my point? So where your hero or heroine in that picture? So you are totally kept yourself aloof from the situation over there. So the story में there is a huge issue with you. You getting my point?
Yes.
Earlier also you described the picture past one बता दिया. जब group story भी आपने बनाया, the people agreed with you, but still there was no hero in the story.
So we mentioned the police officer as hero as a group decided.
So you could give a name also.
Yes, yes.
Name of the person and then what he did, thereafter what he achieved out of this. सर शांत करा दिया, इसका कुछ होना चाहिए. So there were a lot of issues involved in this. Okay, to start working on a story that is very important. Each time you will not get such a cooperative group that they listen to you.
Yes, sir.
I will not give you chance to speak. So kindly make good story, okay?
In the briefing itself, it was clearly mentioned that layout of a story will be what led to the situation, what is likely to happen, and what is outcome.